This robot vacuum might be one of the smartest ways to keep your home clean without constantly doing the work yourself. If you are looking for the best robot vacuum under $600, the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni is definitely one of the strongest options available. It combines a fully automated Omni station, intelligent mopping, advanced navigation, and powerful vacuuming to deliver a premium cleaning experience without the premium price. Before we start our review of the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni, quick heads up, this video is sponsored by the brand Tapo and they sent this over for me to check it out, but as always my thoughts remain completely honest, genuine, and based on real use. Starting with the unboxing and setup, everything was well organized inside the box. As you can see, the setup process was very simple. You will get the vacuum itself along with the Omni station. The setup process was very simple. I connected the Omni station, installed the robot, filled the clean water tank, and connected it to the Tapo app. Within a few minutes, it was ready to start mapping my home and creating an efficient cleaning plan. One of the biggest highlights is the fully automated Omni station, which makes everyday maintenance almost effortless, and after every cleaning session, the robot automatically returns to the dock where it empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads with hot water, dries them with warm air, and even supports automatic detergent dispensing. This level of automation is one of the reasons I think that this RV50 Pro Omni stands out as one of the best robot vacuums under $600. Another feature that I really like is the mopping system. Instead of using a traditional flat mop pad, it uses dual spinning mops with deep edge adaptive mopping technology to clean closer to edges and corners. What really impressed me is that the mop can automatically lift and even move itself when needed, helping keep carpets protected from moisture while still giving hard floors a deep clean. And when it comes to vacuuming performance, as you can see, the RV50 Pro Omni delivers up to 15,000 PA of suction power, making it more than capable of picking up everyday dirt, crumbs, dust, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. It also detects carpets automatically and increases suction when needed for a deeper clean. If you have pets, you will probably appreciate one of my favorite features, which is the anti-tangle current system. Hair buildup is one of the biggest maintenance headaches with robot vacuums, but this system automatically cuts and removes wrapped hair from the brush, which means far less manual cleaning and a much more hassle-free experience. Navigation is another area where this robot performs very well. Using advanced DTOF navigation and dual laser obstacle avoidance, it creates accurate maps for your home, avoids obstacles, supports multiple floors, and allows you to customize cleaning zones, no-go areas, and schedules directly through the app. Speaking of the app, this app gives you a lot of control over the cleaning experience, where I was able to select specific rooms, create cleaning schedules, adjust settings, view maps, and customize how the robot cleans different areas of my home. It also works with Alexa, Google Home, and Matter for convenient voice control. Between the fully automated docking station, intelligent mop lifting and removal, anti-tangle current system, smart navigation, and strong cleaning performance, it delivers features you would normally expect from much more expensive models. That is why I genuinely think it's one of the best robot vacuums you can buy for under $600. Now, if you want my opinion about whether it's worth buying, my answer is definitely yes. I definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a premium robot vacuum that can handle daily cleaning, pet hair, carpets, and hard floors while taking care of most of the maintenance by itself. It is a great option for busy households or anyone who wants to spend less time cleaning and enjoy a consistently cleaner home. Before wrapping up, if you are interested in picking one up, there is currently a limited time promotion and you can get the exclusive influencer price of just $499, making it an even better value for everything it offers. That is everything I have for you today about the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni. I hope you guys found this review helpful and useful and that it helped you decide whether it's the right fit for your home. If you are looking for one of the best robot vacuums under $600 with powerful cleaning, a fully automated Omni station, intelligent mopping, and very little maintenance, then this is definitely one that I can recommend with confidence. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.